now there is okay now. There is a peace there now. So let's rise now. Nigeria, wake up. Oh. Nigeria don't die. Oh. The youth of Nigeria, wake up. Oh. No, not die with Nigeria. There's nothing you can die for. Can you come to Germany now and create, you want to create Germany now you are not Nigeria? It's impossible. Nobody, you can't do it. Then we look at you, you are not okay, and really you are not okay. Or you will just go to England. Now me and my woman here, we want to colonize you now. Now you guys are now second Nigeria. Can you do that? How can one motherfucker come and give us name? And give you name, not me. Because me and Biafra, you can see this evening, you can see me. You know already. I'm a Biafra. Come and give you name. And you are carrying the name of your head. I'm in Nigeria. I'm proud of to be in Nigeria. I'm proud of to be in Nigeria. I'm proud of me. I'm not proud to be in Nigeria. It's a devil name. It's a dark name. I'm a Biafra. I'm the rising sun children. That is who we are. The IPOB, the Igodomigodo. May God bless you all this evening. I love you all so much. May God bless you all. As you share, may God bless you. As you share, God will share blessing upon you. As you share, the Lord will share blessing upon you. My brothers and sisters, sometimes I don't listen to comment because, my dear, I don't listen to comment. I don't read comment. You know why? I don't want anybody to distract me. I know a lot of you writing a comment to me to say something. Yes, I know. But I'm just saying it the way I want. The way I know that I can. The one that I know. That is what I'm doing. My Edo people, my Benin people, please. Wallahi me ime wa wanedo nevo me. Wanivie do nevo me. Wanivie do nevo me. Wanivie do nevo me. Wala wo. Wagima kukugbe. Wagima we nana. Iwe ansa okunia mudie wima. Waege sunu. Wabege venia ya gbele ma wa evugo. Wabege venia ya gbele ma wa evuronibe. Wabege venia ya gbele ma wa evukogbo. Wabege venia ya gbele ma wa in so many udo. Ibiansa wakukugbe wagimame Eastern Security Network under Manzina Dikano. Imayagba ore wima walao. While Lilia Taneri boy doing dominating man, it do fear woman with here. Nobody will come and change you. No female with here. We just need our freedom. Everybody live peacefully. No killing, no raping, no kidnapping. Safely will be there. Only ni magwalo, magwale kie na nagbele mawana. Ima love wa manata leve mena. Ima not go wagon. Mama love wa, all this thing we will not be saying. Him and like wa. Mama on the rock pasunu da wa. Wala ima nivi edo. Wala o. Igodo mi godo. Ma video ba. Ma o dudu wa. Ma o dudu wa. Beni ya mwe security je bunyani. Men that 2 or 3 security in their land. They don't bring for Benin if really you guys are joined them. Don't let anybody deceive you. No, they can't want to he just want you guys to be free. Even saying it where Edo this thing, can respect all the leaders of this thing, of Oba or whatever. It's saying that our Edo own, now in the respect. May we support these people so that our life will be safe. For 60 years, for 100 years, if na Igbo man they rule Nigeria, I get the belief estate in Imagina, hey Maharaji. Not be this stage. If na Igbo man they rule our country for 60 years, 70 years. Not be this life when we dey live so for the zoo there. Not be una they live. Not be una they live. I don't see where anywhere Igbo man go there, the business go full everywhere. Business go full everywhere. If na Igbo man they rule, you go see business go full everywhere. Finish your school, you will see your business, you dey work just like Europe. That is the dream of Nnamdi Kanu to you guys. 18 years, you don't get your driving license, get your own house, get your own things. The school, they work. The school, they work. Get your own car. Flex yourself. If you want to buy a house from 18 years, you can plan for it. That is the life Nnamdi Kanu said we should have in our land. Look, our children manufacture things. I see a lot of them. All those people, put them in the school, give them the equipment. Then we'll be working. You will see 6 years, from 6 years, 7 years in Europe, they started making money already. Our own, we don't do it, we don't care. Even though they build all over Germany, we don't care, we don't even mind what they are doing. We don't even mind what they are doing. May God bless all of you this evening. May God bless all of you. As you subscribe here, may God bless you. Whatever comment you write here, may God bless you. May the will of the Almighty God be done in our life. May the Lord make a way for us when there is no way. As we are doing this freedom fighter, we will not be tired. The Lord will strengthen us. We, the IPOB, the Lord will bless us. We, the freedom fighter, the Lord will bless us. The Eastern Security Network, the Lord will protect them. Oh, no government, the Lord will protect you guys. Give you the strength to protect us. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, may you live long. Tomorrow, 7 o'clock in the morning, it will be online. I think so, yes. God bless all of you. God bless all of you. God bless all of you. This is the time, my brothers and sisters, we need to forget the heaviness and the jealousy. We should listen to Nnamdi Kanu. Please, I'm just begging this evening. This is the time. We need to focus. We need to listen to Nnamdi Kanu. We need to listen to Nnamdi Kanu. Whatever Nnamdi Kanu said, we need to do it so that things will be okay for us. Please don't do anything that would disturb, that would bring us down in our freedom. We need our freedom. There is a lot of our people living in Europe, in London, in America, in British land. They want to come back home and invest in their land. Because of this nonsense Fulani herdsmen they are doing, nobody want to come. Nobody want to come. Even my little children, they want to see Africa. They tell them about Africa. Africa is condemned. Africa kaput. Africa is kaput. When they come back home, they come and tell me, yeah, they say Africa is kaput. Can we go there and see if Africa, how is it in Africa? How is Africa is? How it look like? I say, yeah, we can go, but don't worry. Let's wait. When my Biafra come, we go. Okay, 7 p.m. Okay. Okay, 7 p.m. Okay, thank you. Thank you, my brother. May God bless you. So, my dear brothers and sisters, this is not the time that the Kanu is insulting. Don't remove that from your heart and let be one. Forget the Asabo. Asabo cannot help us. If any of you are there now, where they come now, then we kill. They don't know you if you are Asabo. Because the moment they come now, now so then they shoot. They don't know if you are a Jojo Onibe. They don't know if you are a Ushemofo. They don't know if you are a pig. Asare Tokumbo. They don't know.